Hey folks, my name is Chris at Hauseit. Today we're going to talk about a topic related to the purchase process here in Florida. And that is, can I assign my purchase contract prior to closing? Well, that's a great question, and it's actually addressed directly in the standard Florida Realtor purchase contract, and I'll read it for you. Part 7, Assignability. Check 1. Buyer may assign and thereby be released from any further liability under this contract, or may assign but not be released from liability under this contract, or may not assign this contract. If no box is checked, then buyer may not assign this contract. So as you can assume, the most common one is for the buyer not to be able to assign the contract, but sometimes, we've seen sellers also check for them to be able to assign it. And essentially what this means is, say you lock up a seller in a purchase contract, you got in at what you think is a good price, the market's very hot as it is in Miami, for example, in South Florida, and the prices have gone up during the time that you're still in contract, but prior to closing, and you're able to flip it off market. Basically, maybe you have a friend or family member, someone else inquires, gets in touch with you and really desperate to buy and pay a higher price, and you have this ability to assign, the seller gave you this right to assign the contract, then you can essentially assign the contract, which means turn over the contract to someone else, so that new person would become the buyer. And this is certainly possible. We even, you see this in New York as well. Like, you've seen closings back in the heyday where the market was pretty hot and you had two closings next to each other in different conference rooms where you sign the contract to another buyer. So it certainly is possible. If you do find yourself in this unique situation, definitely contact us. We can help you with it. We can also refer you to any closing attorneys you might need for this transaction. You can email us team@hauseit.com, HAUSEIT.com. And even if you do end up having to actually close on it first, we can then help you sell it and help you save all 6% in broker commissions with our agent-assisted FSBO listing service. Or if you want something more hands-on, we have a 1% for full-service listing option as well. And of course, if you're buying something new, perhaps you're doing a 1031 or such, we can help you save 2% or more by giving you 2/3 of the buyer agent commission at closing. And that can be, quite substantial, because here in Miami, some of these new construction buildings offer 5, 6, 7% to buyers agents, and 2/3 of that can cover your closing costs and more. We cover all of Southeast Florida. We're based in Miami, Florida. We cover Miami-Dade County, Broward, Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie counties. In New York, we cover New York City, Long Island, and the Hudson Valley. My name is Chris at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next one.